Hello, hello. How's everybody doing? We are going to update some of our apps on our Coolify install. So the first thing you want to go is to Hostinger and log in. It's weird. I thought I had that bookmarked. Okay. So you log into your account and Hostinger. The first step is we're going to back up everything because very smart idea. Okay, we go to VPS. Go to manage. And then we should see the backup and monitoring, snapshots. You're going to create a snapshot. Create. This only takes like a minute or two. I'm going to pause it, but it's really fast. Yeah, that was really fast. So you see, that's right now. It's there. We got weekly. This should be by default set up, your weekly backups. If not, make sure those are set up. Okay, so that's the first step. Then you're going to log into your Coolify. Coolify. Just the name alone, right? By the way, your Coolify to upgrade your Coolify install, you just click this, but we're not going to cover that right now. So let's go ahead. I actually do need to update my N8N, so this is my chance to do it. So I'm going to go into N8N. Okay, I'm going to go to Advanced. I'm going to click Pull Latest Images and Restart. If there's somebody you want to make sure there's nobody in the account and stuff like that to be on the safe side. Although I've done this before and I was like, had a bunch of stuff open and like it seemed to just be fine. But safe side, make sure nobody's using the account while you do this. It just takes like a minute, I think, to update. I'm a couple behind right now, so I'm going to pause just in case this takes a minute. Okie dokie. As you see, everything is starting healthy, blah, blah, blah. That looks good. This looks good. Now we're just going to check our work. I think I was a couple behind the latest and the greatest of N8N, so we'll check if we're all up to date. And boom, you see, there's no more warning here that I need an update. So that's it. That's basically it. Just make sure you back up first because you're dealing with a server here. You know what I mean? Things can go bad, so just do backups before you make major changes. Also, get in the good habit of making backups of important scenarios you're working on, and you're all good.